That's unfair.
Look!
Yay! And who won, Axelson? Who won?
Wait. The horse will run. Hello, welcome back to Axel's World. Today I'm gonna show you my dinosaurs.
Okay, show us your dinosaurs and your favorite ones.
My favorite one is the nice one. This guy.
What is the name of that one?
Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus. Okay. Why do you like this guy?
Because he's nice and kind. He always behaves.
He is behaved
Yeah.
and he is also very slow. Okay, this is actually one of the most favorite dinos of the kids.
Look at me, I'm so slow.
Wow. How do you walk slow?
Ganyan.
Wow.
I love to walk slow.
Okay.
Because I think my favorite dinosaur is Stegosaurus. Oh, maybe this one too.
Okay, what is that? What is the name of that
I know
dino?
this name.
His name is
Carnotaurus.
Carnotaurus. Okay, he's also good in
Roar.
fighting. Okay, let's stop fighting. Woo! Okay, so that's Carnotaurus. Okay. Okay. And what's next?
I like Spinosaurus.
You like also Spinosaurus.
Yeah, because he's brave.
He's brave. And he's also tall. Okay.
This one looks
Okay, let's check on.
the
This is the Spinosaurus. Okay.
okay. I have more favorite dinosaur than T-Rex.
Okay. Why do you like T-Rex?
Because he's the king.
Oh, really?
I'm the king.
I thought it's Lion who is the king. Kidding!
It has berries on.
Yes. Okay, show them T-Rex. Oh, you like this one? This is the red T-Rex. Okay, you bought this in Shopee.
Sorry.
You love that song. Okay. And oh, that's Stegosaurus. Okay, and the next we have
This guy.
Oh.
Triceratops.
Triceratops.
Just try everything.
Okay.
Try everything.
Okay, let's check. So this is Triceratops. Oh.
I have so many favorite dinosaurs.
What's next?
This one, Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurus. Let me see. Let's show
I
them.
sing his song Brachiosaurus.
Okay, sing it.
Brachiosaurus.
Okay. You like him?
Yeah.
Why do you like him?
We buy this from. Do you remember? SM.
Yes.
Do you remember?
Oh, it has a sound. So he's actually.
Look, I lost
Oh,
it.
you lost the sound. Okay.
Yep, I still get it. Still safe.
Okay.
And this one too. Pachycephalosaurus.
Who is that?
Pachycephalosaurus.
Okay. I think you like him also.
I hug him
Why do you like Pachycephalosaurus?
because he's the king of the headbutting.
Really? Why? Because he has big head.
Strongest headbutter, Pachycephalosaurus.
Very good.
I'm the king of headbutting. I'm the king of headbutting. Hey, let's fight like that. I love that song.
Okay.
Okay, there's more dinosaurs. Let's count.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
It's fine, like me.
Who is this? Who is this?
I need,
This is Diplodocus.
yeah, it's Diplodocus. He has a long neck than anybody.
Okay.
Even look at T-Rex. He's so short.
Okay.
Short.
You like this one so much?
Yeah, because his neck is so big.
Okay. Long.
Long.
Okay.
So long. Even they are bigger than people.
Okay.
Dinosaurs.
Yes.
Even the nice one, I love it. The nice one is the first strong one.
Who is the nicest? Oh, Stegosaurus is the nicest.
He always behaves like me.
Ooh, just like you always behave?
Yeah.
Really?
Everybody knows.
Okay, so those are some of your collections of the
And this is
dinosaurs.
T-Rex.
Yeah, that's a small T-Rex.
Yeah.
You
And
got
I
two
lost
small
the-
T-Rex.
Look, I lost.
You lost the other feet of the T-Rex.
Yeah.
You got that from the surprise egg, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
The genius.
The genius one.
I need to think.
His name is
Raptor.
Yes, very good.
Raptor.
Okay, show them Velociraptor.
Yes.
Okay, there you are. At first I was afraid that you wouldn't like the dinos, but you like them.
Yeah, that's only my dinos.
Wow, why do you like your dinos?
Because they're strong.
Yes, what about we show them the animals there that you can see and you can find in the farm.
This is the farm.
Okay, show them here. Okay.
Why?
Alright, so you got here toys
We lost this.
that you can find in the farm.
Yeah. This is a cat.
Yes, okay. Here we go, here we go. This is the,
Horse.
okay.
It's a horse. Even the is
What's the sound of the horse? Neigh. Okay.
This is the sound of the island here.
Okay.
Far away.
Alright, and then this is the horse. Okay. Horsey, horsey. Neigh, neigh. You like the horse. The
And
horses can run fast.
even this is cows.
Okay, you put the cows here.
The cows can give you milk.
Oh, so you got 3 cows and a small cow. What is the sound of the cow? Moo.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yes, I like it. Okay, so you got the cows there. Okay, and then next we got.
I don't.
Oh, this is also a. Is this a horse?
Yeah,
It is. Is it?
a rock style horse.
Rock style horse. Okay, put the 2 horses. Are those really horses? Okay.
Yeah, it's a rock style.
Alright.
And the goat.
This is a sheep.
Oh shit.
Okay, this is a sheep.
What about this?
Ba ba black sheep.
Happy anymore.
Happy anymore.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the lay, 1 for the little boy for leaves down the lane. Ah, man.
Okay. There's another horse again.
Oh my god.
This is another horse. So you got plenty of horse.
Who's this one?
What about this one? Oh, this is the goat. Hello, goat.
Man.
Okay, you got 2.
Oh.
Oh, here, Axel, you got 2 goats. What is goats? You got 2 goats, and then what is the sound of the goat?
Man.
Meh.
Goat ka, mama.
And this is my favorite.
The food.
Yeah.
This is baboy.
Yeah. So I like them. What is the food that you love most, especially if it's a pork or from a pig? It's the lechon baboy. the baboy. We call this baboy in the Philippines. So this is a pig.
So I'm an English.
These are pigs, okay?
Yeah, English.
Okay. So, what is the sound of the pigs?
Oink, 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 oink.
Baboy ka ba, Mama?
Alright, so those are your farm animals, okay? And together with your dinos here. You think they can fight together? I think let's try to let them fight.
Fight,
The T-Rex
fight, fight.
versus the goat. And then we got the Diplodocus versus the horse. The T-Rex, ayan. Okay. Let's try. Do you think they could fight? Who do you think will win? Versus the Velociraptor, the T-Rex, and the Brachiosaurus together with the pigs, the cow.
The baboy.
Yeah, and the pig, the horses,
baboy.
the cows,
The baboy.
and your goat and your sheep.
Baboy.
Okay.
Let's count how many in this one. Oh no. This one. There are too many. How can I have too many? How? These are the kids. These
Yeah.
are the kids and the babies.
Okay. So it's time to...
Wait. There are too many. There are too many. Let's do something. Let's do like this or like this something. They face together.
Okay.
Not they face together when they fight like that. I hope they will fight.
Okay.
I hope they won't. I think the horse will run and somebody will get dizzy.
Okay.
Even okay, I have 3, I have 4, 5. The cows. Where's 6? 6?
Yes, Stegosaurus versus the pigs.
Yeah.
And then we have Diplodocus versus the small
But
horses.
Yeah. Yeah, but I did that. This one na lang.
Okay.
Cephalosaurus.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, fight! That's unfair.
No, fight!
Yay! And who won, Axelson? Who won?
Wait. The horse will run. Horse. Horse.
Okay. Oh. Who won, Axelson? And the winner is...
This one.
Okay. Just the head.
That's the ghost. The winner is... Triceratops.
Okay, Triceratops won. Yay! You having fun?
Yes, the winner is the animals. Because he's so fast.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining us.
And tomorrow, we're gonna review about
The
the
Ninja Turtles.
again.
Okay.
And this is the Axel's World. The end.
Okay, show them Axel's world.